Hey guys, what's up? It's Riddy and this is Riddy DIY, and today we're going to be making a chunky knit mason jar. So basically I got the idea for this DIY from someone who had a picture on Pinterest, and then also I found out a video on YouTube. Basically she took a tin can, like from coffee maybe, or soup, I don't know, but it was a pretty large can, and she took clay, and technically she used polymer clay, I think that's what it's called. And it's supposed to work a lot better. I only had modeling clay on hand, so that's what I used for mine. So if any of you guys try this out and you use the better version clay, let me know how it goes, and maybe I'll redo this one day in the future. Anyways, I saw her make a planter out of this tin can and the clay by braiding it to make it look like a chunky knit like blanket like I made previously in one of my videos. I'll link that somewhere. But things like that are really popular right now, and I just thought that was such a unique take on the chunky knit idea using clay. So I decided to do it my own way with a mason jar, and then I put little twinkle lights inside. I didn't have a candle that fit, so I went ahead and used those, which it turned out looking pretty cool, I think. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Definitely subscribe so you can see more content like this in the future, and of course like the video if you liked it. Alright, so let's go. All you need for this project is a mason jar and clay of your choice, and then just a surface to work on. To make the braids, we need to have 3 equally long pieces of clay rolled for each braid. Next, we're going to combine the 3 at the very top by kind of smushing them all together, and then begin braiding just like you would your hair or anything else that you braid. And don't be afraid to kind of massage the ends to make them longer if they don't quite reach all the way. As you complete each braid, go ahead and stick it onto your mason jar. Make sure that you press it pretty hard at the top and bottom so that they don't fall off while they're drying. And then just continue that process until you cover your mason jar. Make sure that you continue pressing on the top and bottom so that they're very secure as you add these, so that they, again, don't fall off while they're drying. So once I had all the braids on the mason jar, I decided I wanted a large braid to go all the way around the top. I ended up making 2 halves and then stuck them together so that I could better adjust them. Lastly, I just kind of put a lot of clay around the edges to make sure everything was nice and connected. I ran out of clay at this point, so I just made it a circle and left the inner part of the bottom just plain. Before it dries, and then now check out the after. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make, and I feel like it's very trendy right now with all of the other like chunky knit DIYs going on. So as always, leave comments below. Let me know if you've made things like this or if this inspired something new for you. And again, subscribe if you want to, and like if you liked it. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah!